an application for the iPhone that I personally have been developing over the past few months, and I'm going to walk you through why I've developed it and what sort of functions it has. So first of all, we start by clicking on the Peddle icon, and here is our loading screen. Very quick to load, as you can see. We've got our icon there. Now this is the first home screen, of which there are 3 populated databases which a user can search based on. The list is only 3 long, and they're populated with data that is retrieved from certain resources. Ultimately, they would be data gathered from retailers and licensed to Peddle to use. But this is a demonstration, a mock demonstration, so at the moment, as you can see, I have a database here for the wine, as well as audio, which we'll go into later. The home screen is a simple design where the table view is being used, and at the bottom is a button that would be used to connect to the website. At the moment it's connecting to Apple. You connect to the website so you could purchase new product searches. Another means that we would do this would be via the App Store, and the idea is that in the future scope the infrastructure would be built to support this application. Now, primarily I've been focused on the wine database, and I'm going to demonstrate to you today what we see. So let's click on the wine and open the wine. We have a back button for our home screen, our search button up the top for the navigation, and a picker view, and 3 attributes which we can select from. Now I've made this so that it simplifies the search for a particular product, in this case wine, and we're going to search for wine based on matching it with tonight's dinner or lunch and a price. So once we've selected the picker view, we can click on the tab bar and choose the weighting of each attribute, weighted on the importance. So in this case there's not so important, somewhat important, or very important. Those ratings are tallied down the bottom in a range of 1 to 3. And once we've tallied them, we hit our search button and we find our results. Now, for instance, if we like Seville Estate, which is our top result, we can click on that and see that a little bit more detail, and in future scope we would hope to have retailers that stock this particular wine and perhaps even purchase it online by clicking on that table. So as you can see, the idea is behind giving an optimized search so that users are able to make a decision without too much trouble. And in this case we're looking for some sound. We can go to Sony for this instance. We want good quality at a reasonable price. Hit the continue button, and we have the brand is not so important to us, quality is very important to us, and the price is very important to us because we're on a budget. We can go search, and we have Sony Sound Hero, which we'll click on to see the details. And eventually we would populate this further to have a database for lots of different products, so that the user can ultimately reference to this application every time they need retail assistance. And that's the application. So I hope you enjoy, and I look forward to putting it on the App Store so that we can all make better decisions using Peddle. Okay, thank you.